My name is hello hello everyone. My name is Bernard Olaimi Michael. In this project, I developed a C Sharp console application called the Dungeon Explorer. It's a game. This software demonstrates key C Sharp programming concepts such as variables, conditions, loops, functions, classes, structures, and file landing. My goal with this project, is to understand how to build an initiative um, test-based game while exploring object-oriented programming features in C Sharp. So as you can see on my screen, I have all what I need. So I'll be taking us through this game. So now the development environment that I use is Visual Code, and alongside it with .NET 8 SDK. For me, in order for me to run the language, the project type is a console-based application. All code are written, using C sharp with three main files. If you look at it, I have my program, my program.cx, the player start.cx, which actually define the structures of how the game is going to be, the text adventure game. So these three files. So now I'm going to be showing us how the game is actually being structured. So I'll open my terminal. No, okay. So .NET. Oh, okay. So when the game starts, the player enters their name and explore different rooms. Random events occurs as each command that you press. Random events occurs. Sometimes you find treasures. Other times you face enemies. The player's health and scores are tracked using sorry about that. The um sorry, using the player start structure here. So I use this to actually track the player's health and score. So now I'm going to enter my name. So as you can see, so let me do this so that it be more easier for me. So as you can see, we have you awakening the cold stone ball of a forgotten dungeon. So don't forget that the name of this game is Dungeon Explorer. So your goal: find the lost gem and escape alive. Beware monsters, traps, and strange choices. So now, my name is Bernard. Health 100, score is 0, inventory. So what I have in my inventory like to use is a rusty sword. So now, in the game, what would you like to do now? Okay, let us assume I want to explore deeper into the dungeon, or let me say search. Let us start with search the current room thoroughly. Maybe we can find any weapon or anything useful. So I click on two, and we do this. So when you carefully search the room for um anything useful, you uncover a ancient map. So which means a map was given. All right, let's search the room again. Probably we can find anything. So you carefully search the room for anything useful. You find torch. Oh, a torch. So let's see. Let's just explore deeper into the dungeon. So let's explore now. So you click on one. So now in the dungeon, uh, this is it. You push forward into the shadow corridor. An enemy step out from the darkness. A skeleton approaches. 45, AK-47, and choose an action. This is an enemy. So if I choose an action to attack, it's going to show me how the attack is going. So the attack, you strike the skeleton for 12 damage, and the skeleton hits you for 3 damage. So I keep attacking the enemy, or probably let me use, is there any item that I have that I can use? I'll use. So I only have rusty sword, ancient map, torch. Let's use whether the map can take me out of them. Oh, you choose the ancient map, nothing happens. Yes, the map cannot take me out of there. So I have no choice now than to attack. So I keep attacking. I keep attacking. I keep attacking. So because of time, so that's how the game works. And if I should go back, let me just keep attacking. Just all right. So now, would you like to? What would you like to do? So now in this place now, my health is 91. You strike the skeleton for 14 damage. You have defeated the skeleton. So the skeleton drop healing herb. So I have 28 score. So this is how it is done. So because of time, let me just. So I can also save the game progress in case I want to return to the game back. Load the. I can also load previous and, or let me say save the game. So because of time, I will just exit this game and press any key to leave the console. So now, so here is how the game works in code. So sorry about that. Here is how the game works in code. Um, I create an instance of test adventure game CS class. Is that okay? So I create test adventure game. This, if you can see, the public that contains all game logic, and and will be used by this. So I create the class where we have the player start, we have the inventory, we have the game over. That is using the reason why I use that is just to make it more simpler and easier, without too much of writing code. Though it's my first time, with a lot of research and help, I was able to put all this together. Um, Thank you.